Sir, there are only 49 students in the morning. Huh? Oh, okay, sir. Just only 50 are there now. So shall I start now? No, this is that I do. Right, sir. Okay, then now just see here the the question number 4. It doesn't need any much explanation because this pentagon is resting on one of its edge, that is resting on side on rotate the compressed pentagon by 30 degrees. Draw the front view. That is all. Very simple. You refer the previous PPT also, you can understand. Now, coming to 6th problem, if you see the 6th problem, it is a problem on section. It is cut by a section plane. It is clearly telling it is cut by a section plane. Now, 5th problem is a solid. This is a section. This problem is only connected with sections only. So this is only, this problem number 6 is only sections. Sections are much simpler, please. When you compare with the solid, sections are very simple. Therefore, let us concentrate more on sections. Now, in the 8th problem, again you see, you can draw 5th problem or 6th problem. I'm not doing 5th. And when I do 6th one, I do section, which is simple. Again, if you come to 8th problem, that's also a pentagon. It's a development. This also will have a section plane here. Development will also have section. So if you are very thorough with sections and development, you are sure to do 2 problems. So let us concentrate more on sections and development. So this will help us doing the problem. Now, let me again tell you the development part. Just see here. Yes. Now, Dear students, just see here. This is the first I have shown you a prism. This is the prism, and if this is a horizontal plane, on this prism is standing, right? Now he says the prism is resting on its base. This is base. Base is resting on HP. He says base is resting on HP, and he says one side is parallel to VP here like this. This is vertical plane. This is parallel. This line B dash C dash is parallel to vertical plane. So this is the position. This is HP, VP, solid. It is base. Base is standing on this, such that B dash C dash is parallel to VP. Now he says this is, for this I have to draw a development. Now dear students, just I want to show you what the development is. Now in this I have covered, there are 4 pages now. All the 4 faces I have covered with a paper. Now this is completely covered, all the 4 faces. Now if I unfold it, this is first face. This is first face. This is second face. It is bent here. This is second face. This is third face. And this is fourth face. It has got 4 faces now. Now, if I fold it exactly at all the places, I get a rectangle. Hollow rectangle I get. This is length, this is breadth. Again, back side, this is length, this is breadth. Development is complete lateral surface area is covered. Complete lateral surface area is covered. That area is called development of the solid. This we are going to draw. Now, before that, I would like to show you section. Section is something like a plane. Let us assume as if it is a knife. I have got a knife. With this knife, I am cutting. This one is a plane area. If it is very sharp, it will cut it. Sectioning is cutting only. I am cutting with this. I am cutting it this way. My knife will be this like this. Suppose if I cut it horizontally, what do I see? If the knife is parallel to HP, I see only same rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. Same size. 1, 2, 3, 4 only will be seen. Suppose I am cutting it in this way. That is this portion. If it is here like this, if I am cutting it this way, this portion has been removed. If I would have cut it like this, you would have seen only this rectangle. If I cut it like this, you would have seen this rectangle. When I am cutting it this way, you see this triangular portion is removed. This portion has been cut off. Now, dear students, suppose this is 50 mm, this is 20. This is 20, this becomes 30. Now, what you are seeing? You are seeing 30 mm. What is the white portion you are seeing? White portion, what you are seeing is, what is the width of this white portion? It is 20. The total length is 50. 50 minus 30 is, this is 20. You are seeing white portion only 20 mm. Actually, it is not. Is it 20? It is not 20. This is 20. From here to here, it is 20. Whereas if I show you this, this is not 20, it is more than 20. This is called true shape. This length is called true shape. Now I have to draw true shape. And if you see from top, you are seeing only 20 mm. That is called sectional top view. If you see from top, you are seeing only 20 mm. Dear students, it is 50 mm, 50 minus 30, white portion is only 20 mm. I am saying 20 mm here. This is called sectional top view. And this is true shape. Up to this is only sections. Sections is sectional top view, true shape. This closes section. What is development? If I draw complete area, complete lateral surface area, that is called development. There are two questions in our examination. One is sections, that is problem number 6 is sections, and problem number 8 is development. That's what I have shown you here. I have shared it and shown it to you. Where is that sharing? Yes. Yes. This is the question. See, sixth question is, a cube is resting on its face on HP. It is resting on its face on HP. Yes. And he says vertical face. Just see. Are you able to see sixth question? Sixth question, please. Listens are not needed. Where is chat? I'm not getting chat. Anyway, okay. Now, see. Some of you can unmute, please. 1 or 2 students. You can answer. I'm not able to see chat here. Are you seeing the screen? Question, are you able to see? No. Okay. Now, this is resting on this and it is inclined at 30 degrees. This vertical plane is inclined at 30 degrees. And this portion is being cut off. It is vertical plane. This is horizontal plane. Are you able to get screen or not? Right. Now, let me see the yes. Now, this is the one. Now, in this case, I will show you the problem here. We'll go to problem now. Sorry, I have to share now. Sorry, share it. Yes. Now, dear students, this is the rectangle. Just see here. This is a prism. 20 into 30, 50 height is resting on base on HP. This is HP. On its base, it is resting. Now, he says a section plane perpendicular to vertical plane inclined at 70 degrees to HP. This is section plane. Section plane is, let me say, this is HP. It is resting like this. Now, this is section plane. It is cutting it this way. It is cutting this way. Now, this is vertical to perpendicular to vertical plane. It is coming here like this, cutting it. What is the angle made? This angle is 70. It is horizontal plane. This is 70. It is cutting like this. This is the position. Now, this portion has been cut off. Now, he is asking us to say, he has also given the dimension from, I think for you, left side. Is it left or right? I don't know. But from this is 20 mm. From left he said, bottom left face. Bottom left face, this is 20. This angle is 17. It has been cut off. Now he says, draw sectional top view. That is this one. White portion is sectional top view. Sectional side view. This is the sectional side view. This is sectional top view. This is sectional top view, 20 mm. And this is sectional side view, then development. All the three will start. Now, yes. Now, see, this has been drawn here. This is this way. Front view is shown. This is 20 by 30. This is 30 by 20. I've drawn like this. When you see the top view, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. A, B, C, D is visible here. Brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4 is seen. Now in front view, you see B dash, C dash, 3 dash, 2 dash. That's what you are seeing here. Now section, I've drawn a from here, B dash to 2 dash, make 20 mm. B dash to 2 dash, it is 20 mm. There you draw 70 degrees. B dash to 2 dash 20, you draw 70 degrees. You cut off this. Wherever it is cutting, there you mark 3 and 4. That is, 3 and 4 will be here. Of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. I've kept 3, 4 here and 5, 6 here. Because it is getting cut. What I put 3, 4 here is, it is cutting here in between. So these things will become 5 and 6. Now, I draw a perpendicular from here. How do you draw the side view? Side view, you project from here. This, you draw up to this, any line. From here, you are not able to see that. There is a line here, which is 45 degrees. To draw side view, I have to draw 45 degrees. From one, draw a horizontal line up to 45 degrees, draw a vertical line. From 2, you draw a horizontal line up to 45 degrees, draw a vertical line. Then this becomes the thickness. And the thickness is 20 mm. This becomes 20 mm. This is thickness 20 mm. This becomes 20. This is 40. Now I got this side view. Side view is this place. Side view is this. But when I cut it, you should also see the cut portion. This is side view and this one is sectional side view. You are seeing from here, if you are able to see the white portion, then it is a sectional side view. Similarly, This is top view. If you are able to see this white portion, this becomes sectional top view. That I am going to draw now. See, from 3-4-, draw a perpendicular. From 3-, you draw a perpendicular to XY line. We don't say drawing perpendicular. We say project 3-4- bracket in top view. When I say project 3-, draw a perpendicular from here. Wherever it cuts top view, there you mark 3. That is called projection. Now similarly 4- is here. So this is 3-4-, this is 1-2. This is 1-2, this is 3-4, this is 5-6. So this portion, whatever you are seeing here, lines are drawn, that is called section view. This portion 1, 2, 3, 4 is section. 1, 2, 3, 4 is section. 3, 4, 5, 6 is not section. Section means cut off. This portion has been cut off. Therefore, you leave it like this. This is a sectional top view. Whatever is cut, I am showing with a hatched line. These are called hatchings. Now this portion is left. Right? Now again, already this sectional side view has been drawn. Previous problem, this is side view, please. This is side view, this is top view, this is front view. Now, what is this view now? This has become sectional top view. Similarly, from here you draw a horizontal line. And you hatch it, then this becomes sectional left side view. I am seeing from left, draw it on right side. This is sectional side view. So, up to this is section, please. Up to this, I have drawn sectional top view, sectional side view. One more thing is left is true shape. So what I do is, there is a section line here on the draw X1, Y1. This is another new reference line. New reference line parallel to section line. New reference line X1, Y1 parallel to section line 2-, 3-. See that it will not touch it. Don't draw very far off. This line should be as near as possible, but don't touch it. Give some gap, minimum gap. Draw X1, Y1. Now, from here 2- and 3- draw perpendiculars. From 2- you draw a perpendicular. From 3- draw a perpendicular. Now, from 2- you measure this distance. 2- to 1. Sorry, it is A-, sorry. B-, it is B- now. B- to 1, you mark it. B- to 1, you mark, measure it. That is, I have marked it as M, capital M. Distance between B- and 1 is M. See, this is M. From here, I have marked M. This, from X1, Y1 to this one line is M. From here, it is M. So, I have marked both 1 and 4. 1 and 4 have been marked here. Next, I have to mark 2 and 3. How do I mark? I measure distance from XY. From XY, it is N. XY, distance of 2 is N. From X1, Y1, mark N distance. Draw a parallel line. Again, I repeat. First, draw reference line XY. Draw a rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. Project front view. Project side view. Project front view. Project side view. Here, measure 20 mm. Draw 70 degrees. This is a section plane. From 3-, draw a vertical line. This is sectional top view. From 2-, draw a horizontal line. This is sectional side view. From section line, draw a parallel line X1, Y1. Now measure distances. From XY, measure 1. How much it is? That is M. Draw a parallel line. From XY, measure 2, 3. That is N, capital N. Mark N. Draw parallel line. Now, from here, this is at N. Therefore, this is 1. From here, it is N. This is 2. Similarly, 4, 3. This becomes true shape. So, up to this is section. The problem is over, please. Up to this section, problem is over. If we draw up to this, this is sufficient. Because there is no time, what I have done, I have clubbed both the problems. Section problem, development problem, both I have clubbed. So that it will be faster for us. Up to this only is section problem. Now here, right side, I have drawn development problem. Development, as you have seen, I should see a perimeter. Right? If you see here, this is perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle. If it is like this, this is perimeter. I have drawn perimeter here. I have started with A. AB is 20, BC is 30, CD 20, DE 30. I have drawn a rectangle. Height is same thing, 50. Height you project from here. You start from here. This is 20, 30, 20, 30 mark. Draw rectangles. If it is, development is like this now. When I fold it at every place, I should get a hollow prism. Hollow prism I should get. This is called development. I got the development here. Now, if you see here, 11 dash A 11 dash. This complete rectangle is the development. Dear students, that is the development. Without this portion is cut. But this 11 dash A 11 dash is the development. But now I have cut off this portion. So some portion has to be cut here. Some portion has to be cut. This portion has been cut off, no? This area must be removed. This triangle, this rectangle, triangle. One triangle, rectangle, triangle must be removed. That's what I remove here. See, this is one triangle, this is another triangle, this is rectangle. Triangle, rectangle, triangle. How do I cut it? From here, draw a horizontal line. Where is this? This is on A. A, B. This portion has been cut off. A to, sorry, no, let me say it is B now. From B to 3 I have to mark. Let me start from B. From B I have to mark 3. Where do I get B? From here to, you draw a parallel line. From this 1 dash 2 dash, draw a parallel line. Now, where is 1? 1 is on A. See here, 1 is on A. So on A, you mark 1. Where is 2? 2 is on B. On B, you mark 2. Again, is there any ABs here? Yes. At the end, I got one more A. See, once again, see please here, please. A, this is A, B, C, D. Again, I got A here because this A is coming and joining here. This is also A, this also is A. They are joining here. So A I get twice. This is one A, this is another A. Right. Now, at A, again I mark 1. So I got 1, 2, 1 I have already marked here. What is left now? 3, 4. Now, how to mark 3, 4 here? See, from 2 to 3, you measure the distance. 2 to 3, you measure the distance with compass. From B, mark cut off 3. From B, cut off 3. Similarly, A4. Is it different between B3? Both are same. Same radius with 11 dash, you cut 4. Now, you join 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, this portion has been cut off. This portion and this triangle. This is one triangle, rectangle, triangle. When, if I remove this, the development is 1 dash A, 1 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1. This is the development. Now, dear students, read the problem and decide what has to be done. Right? This is the section This is development. Now, another class has to start at 1 o'clock. I'm sorry, I know something wrong. Where it is going, I am not able to find out. Let's hope tomorrow we'll meet in time.